Every commercial poultry grower faces the same daily challenge: mortality disposal. With biosecurity tighter than ever, thermal dehydration has become the go-to solution. The Ravager is IPP's answer. Here's what 2 real installs actually look like, start to finish. We'll give you an idea of what to expect when installing the Ravager and take a closer look at it operating. A concrete pad 16 by 20 feet under a roof is required for the Ravager. Concrete screws anchor it in place. The control panel is connected to 100 amp, 240 volt single phase power. We'll take a closer look at it on the second install. If you're evaluating mortality solutions for your operation, subscribe. We aim to produce product videos that are helpful in making an informed decision on your next farm investment. On this second farm, the growers chose to place the dehydrator inside the litter shed. Let's take a closer look at a few of the Ravager's components. Retractable supports protect load cells, used to measure the mortality load's weight and enable quick on-site leveling for accurate operation. The control panel has a built-in PLC which tracks temperature, weight, and cycle progress automatically. It is push-button repeatable, no guesswork, no babysitting. Typical energy usage is approximately 110 kilowatts per 1,000 pounds. Offset that against freezer storage, hauling fees, labor, or propane prices required by other methods. When priced at 14 cents a kilowatt, energy usage comes out to roughly 4 cents a pound. One of the Ravager's most important features is the high dump unloading. The hydraulic tilt empties the drum completely. No shoveling, no reaching in, no added biosecurity risk. Heavy-duty paddles with crusher blocks reduce bones down to 1 to 1.5 inches, providing uniform sterilization all the way through. A full-width hydraulic lid accepts a 60-inch loader bucket for bulk loading. We believe that dehydration is the modern solution for handling mortality, but we also recognize that there may be other methods used by our viewers. But we'd like to hear from you. What's your current mortality disposal setup? Incinerator? Composting? Rendering? Drop it in the comments below. This farm chose to house the Ravager inside the litter shed. We built a retaining wall to separate the dumped byproduct from the dehydrator. Now, let's move to a third farm to watch the Ravager work. One advantage dehydration has over composting mortality is that composting needs carbon agents such as shavings, moisture management, and weeks of curing. Dehydration requires none of that. What comes out isn't waste, it's a dry, sterile byproduct, ready to go back to work on the farm as a fertilizer or a supplement in livestock rations. The Ravager handles mortality disposal, but it's one part of a complete on-farm mortality management system. See how the Ravager and the Poultry Hawk work together, from pickup to final disposal, in this video.